Conjunctions words in English. Coordinating conjunctions. And. Or. So. For. But. Yet. Nor.
Let's take some examples.
And is the most common way to add information. And is used to add one element to another. It can join words, phrases, and entire independent clauses. For examples. I like to run and swim. James and Jack are coming to the party. He ran, swam, and played with the other children. Her beautiful long hair and dark brown eyes caught their attention. The family moved into the new house, and the neighbors welcomed them warmly. Or is used to present alternative choices or options. For examples. Would you like the chicken, the pork, or the beef? Which sport do you think is more exciting, football or hockey? We can go to the movies tonight, or we can just hang out at home. At the gym, I usually either lift weights or use the treadmill. Which fruits do you like more, apples or bananas? Go home, or I will call your mother. So is generally only used to join two independent clauses, where the second clause is a result of the first. For example, he was exhausted, so he went to bed early. She was the most qualified candidate, so we gave her the job. He has been working harder lately, so his grades are improving. I am hungry, so I am going to get something to eat. You were late, so you took a special car. For is used to give a reason for something. It can normally only join two independent clauses, introducing the second clause as the reason for the first one. We can use for whenever we mean because, but it is considered quite formal, literary, and even antiquated. For example, I believe you, for you have never lied to me before. He did not come to the party, for he felt sick. I wish you had been there, for we had a wonderful time. Students have to read their textbooks, for each class is based on what students read. I go to the park every Friday, for I love to watch the ducks on the lake. But is used to present a contrast with previous information. It can be used to join an independent clause to a phrase or another independent clause. For example, I want to go shopping, but I can't. He was upset but did not cry. I would love to travel more, but I just do not have the time. She wants to buy a car, but she can't afford to. The game was over, but the crowd refused to leave. Yet, like but, is used to present contrast. However, there is a subtle implication when we use yet that the information is surprising in light of what we already know. For example, the movie was depressing yet uplifting at the same time. It's poured rain all day, yet they haven't cancelled the football game. I have read hundreds of books since high school, yet The Catcher in the Rye is still my favorite. He is 72, yet he still swims, runs, and plays football regularly. Ahmad plays basketball well, yet his favorite sport is badminton. Nor is one of the most limited coordinating conjunctions. It's used to present an additional negative idea when a negative idea has already been stated. He does not like football, nor does he enjoy hockey. I have never seen that movie, nor do I want to see it. She has not been to Paris, nor has she traveled to Rome. We do not gamble, nor do we smoke. Sarah likes neither milk, nor cream cake. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.